Fathers matter. Statistics show that fatherlessness has a detrimental effect on children. Yet, an unprepared or undisciplined father can often be just as detrimental. Fathering from Within is a workshop designed to empower fathers from the inside out, focusing on social-emotional learning, trauma-informed care, conflict resolution, healing. At Village Connect, we believe change occurs on 3 levels: consciousness, behavior, and structure. Rooted in that belief that within every person there exists a higher self that innately seeks to improve and expand one's life circumstance. Let's improve ourselves for the children, for the village. If you are interested in attending or bringing Fathering from Within workshops to your city, county, and state social service agencies or community organization or school, email us at vcreferral@village-connect.org or contact us at 510-564-4240. We look forward to speaking with you soon.